Hey, what is going on, guys? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own MetaMask wallet. I'm going to be doing the entire process step by step on screen so that you can follow along if you're a complete beginner. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I currently have Google open in my browser and I'm just going to type in MetaMask. And you can see the first thing that comes up is MetaMask. So let's click on this link here. And you can see on this page, it's going to give us the option to download now. And we are going to do that. And we want to download this as a Chrome extension. So you can see I have Chrome selected right here. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. And you can see right here is my option to install MetaMask on Chrome. And I'm going to click on that. And it's going to bring us to a new page here. And over here on the right, you can see we can add this extension to Chrome. So I'm going to click on that. And let's go ahead and accept this. And it'll take just a moment. But you can see we'll have a little pop-up come up once it is done. And it'll say MetaMask has been added to Chrome. So if I come up here and click on this puzzle, and you can see MetaMask is now here. So let's click on that. And once everything loads in, we are now going to go through the process of actually creating our MetaMask wallet. So we'll come down here and click on Get Started. If you're a beginner, it's likely you need to make your wallet. So let's click on Make a New One. We'll agree to these terms. And here we want to make our password. So obviously, don't share your password with anyone and go ahead and write it down and put it in a safe place. And we'll click on Agree. And the next step is going to be to secure our wallet. So let's go ahead and click on Next. And now we need to make our secret recovery phrase. And this is something you shouldn't share with anyone. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show this one since this is not an account I'll be using. But go ahead and save what your secret phrase is. And then you're going to need to repeat it to confirm that you actually wrote it down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my secret phrase here. And it's important that you make sure everything is in order. And okay, we'll click on confirm. And if you did it right, it'll say congratulations. We'll click on all done. And once I close out of this, you can see that we will now have access to our MetaMask account. And here's where we have access to buy, send, and swap a lot of different cryptocurrencies. And right here is our account address. You can see we can copy this to our clipboard, and this is a way for people to send us cryptocurrency. If we come over here and click on buy, you can see it gives us a few different options for ways to buy Ethereum. One of the most common ways is to simply go to your Coinbase account and then send Ethereum to this account address here. We can also send cryptocurrencies here where we could just send someone's Ethereum wallet address, or we can actually use a QR code as you can see right here. We can also swap different cryptocurrencies. So let's say we have Ethereum in our wallet. If we come down here, we can select a token that we want to swap. And it'll give you a lot of options. But you can see if you can't find your token, you can manually add any token by pasting its address. Token contact addresses can be found on Etherscan. So there's a lot of options for less well-known cryptocurrencies using this MetaMask wallet as well. And like I said, here we can see our assets, all the cryptocurrencies we own, and we can also see our activity. So there you have it. That is how you make a MetaMask wallet, which will allow you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.